Good morning, sir. Thank you, sir.
BISHNUPRIYA.
Yes, sir.
You introduce yourself.
Sir, sir, my name is Vishnupriya Nayak. I completed my schooling from Sasudhara Khiradamani High School. Thereafter, I completed my intermediate from Bandika Residential College, Bhadrak. Thereafter, I pursue my graduation in botany from Bhadrak Autonomous College. And thereafter, I pursue my MSc in Environmental Science from Fakirmon University. And I am, yes, sir.
And then you were working somewhere. No, you worked for 1 year only.
Yes, sir.
1 year. Environmental associate in Vision Tech Consultancy.
Yes, sir.
Then you left.
Sir?
2020, 1 year only.
Yes, sir. Only 1 year, sir.
So last 4 years, what have you been doing?
Sir, I'm preparing for civil service.
Civil services. Good. So you are from Fakirmon University.
Yes, sir.
Where was you born? Any idea?
Yes, sir.
Your birthplace?
Malikaspur village in Baleshwar.
Makkalpur.
Malikaspur, sir.
Makkalpur.
Sorry, sir. I have
There
to.
is a
Malikaspur where he stayed and memorial.
memorial.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have definitely read upon
You
that.
have been there, no? Baleshwar पढ़ने लगे जाए ना तक
No, sir.
अच्छा, okay. memorial तो ना environmental studies पढ़ी है ना?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, तो climate change टा कौन आउट है issue? What is the issue of climate change, which is debated everywhere? Are you comfortable in speaking Odia or English?
Sir, both.
Both.
Yes, sir.
So you are free to answer in whichever
Yes, sir.
language you are comfortable. से पढ़ लेगी.
हाँ अभी तो प्रिपेयर है तीन टाइम
चिंता है तो what is climate change?
Sir, climate change now a hot topic in the whole world. The climate change is basically due to the increasing of the greenhouse gas in the atmosphere, which warm our Earth's surface. For which the climate change is now the concern for everyone, sir.
What are some of the major conferences which have happened regarding climate change in the world?
Yes, sir. Sir, first thing is the increasing the sea level and melting of glacier. And sir, recently, sir, the Kerala landslide is also one of the climate change effect. Apart from that, in Odisha, it is also heat waves are happening, and many people died due to the climate change. These are the concerning
Impacts.
impacts.
You are talking about the impacts. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. You have any heard about Doha round
Uh,
on
sir,
climate?
Sir, I'm not aware of it, sir.
Huh?
Sir.
Okay. And your optional is political science and
Yes, sir.
international relations.
Yes, sir.
What is you have heard the term called Cold War?
Yes, sir.
What is Cold War? What was that? Why it called Cold War?
Sir, the Cold War basically happened in between the USSR and the USA.
Why it was called Cold War?
Sir, because the war is not happening in the battlefield, it is happen in between the USA and USSR, and by means of the increasing the weapon and nuclear weapons, and increasing the capacity. So
basically they piled up a lot of nuclear weapons
Yes,
on both
sir.
sides.
Yes, sir.
So much so that if they ever went to war
Yes, sir.
and they unleash their weapons,
Yes.
the planet will be destroyed and it will return to ice age.
Yes,
So
sir.
they said it will come, if the war happens, the planet will go cold. So they said Cold War.
Yes.
And they didn't fight. We were giving the things more or less correctly that they didn't actually fight, but they were fighting proxy wars all around the world.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So proxy wars means in third countries.
Yes.
Okay. It was Cold War. Now the Cold War is there, it's over.
Yes, sir. It is now the Cold War 2.0 is now started.
2.0. Okay. So when did when do you say that Cold War 1.0 got over?
Yes, sir.
Come.
Sir, it is the war I've said already that the USSR and USA, and now the Cold War 2.0 in between the USA and China, sir.
USA,
And China.
USA and China. It's called as a Cold War 2.0?
Sir, some political scientists have mentioned in an article that it is 2.0.
Okay, some commentators say that way, 2.0. You can call it as a Cold War 2.0, but USA, the West is fighting actively in some theater. Where?
Sir, in particular the Indo-Pacific region.
There is a war going on now.
Okay. Sir, this is the US and Ukraine war, sir.
Ukraine war.
Yes.
It is between whom?
Sir, it is, if you see the broadly, the war in between the Russia and basically the West.
West.
Sir.
West means what?
Sir, the West means USA led war, sir.
US
The
led West.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are reading. I mean, I can make out. If you
Yes,
say
sir.
US led West means you have read that term in the
Yes, sir.
newspaper.
Sir, basically the Ukraine is backed up by the USA.
Ukraine and Russia are fighting.
Yes, sir.
basically. Okay.
And Ukraine
is being supported by the US led West.
Yes.
You know, when we say US led West, we are talking about actually when you talk about military terms, it is NATO.
NATO, sir. Right.
Okay.
Yes.
What is the headquarters of NATO?
Sir, it is in. Sir, I'm not recalling.
Brussels.
Brussels, sir. Brussels. Right.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
And you must have read, if there was a NATO earlier,
Yes.
there was a Warsaw Pact.
Yes, sir.
Where was Warsaw Pact headquartered?
Sir, Poland.
Yeah, Warsaw. Good.
Yes.
Now Poland is part of NATO.
Yes, sir.
Why? You heard about Berlin Wall?
Yes, sir.
What is that Berlin Wall?
So during the Cold War, the wall is constructed between a symbol of Cold War between the USA and USSR. Sir.
And recently something happened in Bangladesh.
Yes, sir.
What has happened there?
Sir, a wide agitation among the students of Bangladesh against the incumbent government. Then, sir, now the governments are now resigned and there is a interim government is established in Bangladesh.
Who is heading that?
Sir, Muhammad Yunus.
So see, the Sheikh Hasina was thrown out.
Yes, sir.
For a particular region.
Yes, sir.
In a student agitation.
Yes.
What is that agitation about?
Sir, basically the agitation about the quota system. In Bangladesh, basically the quota for the freedom fighters during that Bangladesh liberation war. Sir. So the student now, due to the COVID, the student are unemployed since the 2020. So they are agitated that they also given the chance for the merit-based examination rather the quota system. So they are agitating.
India is called at the 5th largest economy in the world.
Yes, sir.
What is the size of India's economy in terms of, you have heard the term GDP?
Yes, sir.
So what is the GDP of India now? Any idea? It's the 5th largest, so there is a quantity, no?
Yes,
You
sir.
comparing with, there are 4 countries which are larger than India. So what is the GDP of India?
Sir, it's 8.2, sir.
It is
8.2 lakhs crore.
8.2 lakh crores.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's you are talking about rupees.
Yes.
So in terms of dollars, it will be, it's $3.9 trillion.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So we keep talking about a 5 trillion economy.
Sir, India is now bypassing the UK.
Okay, good. So what is SDP? SDG.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Sir, the SDG is the acronym for Sustainable Development Goal,
Good.
which is basically the 17 goal
Good.
achieved by 2030. Sir, it is for...
Why it is called Sustainable Development Goal?
Sir, the term sustainable development is basically coined by the Brundtland Commission during the 1987.
Good.
Where it is defined that to... Sir, may I take a second?
Okay, good. You got 17 parameters which they want to achieve, and it's called Sustainable Development Goals because at the current rate of growth and consumption, people fear that we will not be able to sustain life on this planet.
Yes.
So if you have to protect our future generations, then we have to have a sustainable rate of development
Sir.
by following certain parameters. So
Sir.
that is why they are saying certain
Sir.
development goals. Means depletion of natural resources and such other things, rate of consumption.
Sir.
We have to cap it at certain level so that we can sustain the planet much longer than what they expect would happen if you continue the current.
Sir, now I have the recalling the definition properly, the
Yeah,
sustainable
good.
development, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Sir, sir, can I speak in Odisha?
Yeah, yeah.
सर आम बर्तमान जेनेरेशन को आम सब प्रकार माने नेचुरल रिसोर्स को जगेदेवा ता सहित आम आखि रखा कि आम परवर्ती पीढ़ी मान आम एटा सुरक्षित रखिपार सर
गुड ओडिशा रे फॉरेस्ट कवर केते अछि जणा अछि
सर आई एम नॉट रिकॉलिंग अबाउट द पर्टिकुलर परसेंटेज but Odisha is rich in
forest and
biodiversity,
rich in mineral resources.
Yes, sir.
किंतु ओडिशा रे डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स रे ऑल इंडिया रे
Yes.
We are not considered when we are considered as one of the poorest one of
Sir.
the poorer states.
Sir.
कौन पे
Sir, Odisha is definitely a good rich in mineral resources. Sir.
resources yes
Odisha is now topping in the coal, iron ore, and chromite, and various mineral resources. Apart from that, Odisha is behind the developmental process, like the industrialization. Because of sir, Odisha now the facing the skill gap, sir. Basically, skill gap,
okay.
sir. Skill development is lacking behind. So that is a factor, sir. Second side, the land acquisition issue is in Odisha, sir. For example, in POSCO, that is a main the land acquisition issue is there. So company are not interested to come Odisha due to this reason, and the ease of doing business is also quite lacking in Odisha. So that I think this is the reason for industrialization.
I will ask few questions to Sir.
Sir.
I am giving you a figure
Sir.
that around 1.5 million people
Sir.
go out of Odisha
Sir.
in search of employment.
Sir.
But around 4.5 million people come into Odisha from other states and getting employment.
Sir.
What is the problem here? Why we are not able to provide employment to our people? Why? What are the reasons?
Sir, first thing is the lack of industrialization, sir.
Industrialization because other people from other states are coming and getting employment here.
Sir, the mainly the Odisha people are mainly agricultural based economy, so people are lacking behind the proper skill gap. Particularly the service sector is now growing in Odisha. Various companies are now.
Why Odia people are not employed there?
Sir, it is a skill gap, I think, sir.
When you say skill gap, because people in our state, they are reluctant to work for paltry amount, a small amount,
Sir.
and do manual labor in their own vicinity.
Sir.
They do same thing in Surat, but they feel shy to work.
Exactly, sir. This is the social mindset of people, sir, in Odisha, particularly.
Should we throw out the people from other states
Sir.
who have come here in seeking employment, as it is being done in Maharashtra and other states?
Sir, it is Odisha is now providing the service sector employment basically.
You get my point.
Sorry, sir.
I ask you that about 5 million people, 50 lakhs.
महाराष्ट्र कोण आयतला कुठे मराठा माणूस
Son of the soil.
He really
Son of the soil.
he first threw out the South Indians.
Sir.
Okay. Then he threw out the बड़ी UP बिहार भैयाज इनको भगाओ.
Sir.
That's how built up is.
Sir, son of soil.
I am asking that.
मैं ओडिशा अस्मिता को ऊँच करता हूँ.
Sir.
तार मतलब कौन था मैंने अन्यमान को बाहर करता हूँ.
Sir, no, sir. This is completely violating the fundamental right of the people, sir. It is in the it is Article 19, sir.
They have got every right to work.
Every right in anywhere part of the India, sir.
Good.
But there is a problem that earlier people were not able to go and purchase land, do business business in a particular state.
Sir.
What is that state?
Sir, Jammu Kashmir. Sir.
By what article
Sir.
this law was prevalent?
Sir, it is by abolishing the Article 370.
370 is referent.
Sir.
This I am asking about purchasing land, doing business.
Sir.
Is 35A.
Sir, 35A, right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I was asking about Doha Protocol.
Sir.
You couldn't answer. I am just giving you a hint.
Sir. Sir.
Before Doha Protocol, there was Kyoto Protocol.
Sir. Sir.
Kyoto Protocol asked about reduction of greenhouse gases.
Sir. Sir.
You studied environmental science. You must be knowing what are the greenhouse gases.
Sir, I am now recalling the Kyoto Protocol, sir.
Okay. What are the greenhouse gases?
The greenhouse gases basically, sir, I can either name the
Yes,
sir.
I want
Sir,
you should name them.
Sir, carbon dioxide,
Carbon dioxide.
then sir, methane, sir, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon, sir,
And 3-4
water
small
vapor.
gases. What is the maximum? What is the percentage of carbon dioxide in that greenhouse? The highest, no?
Sir, the highest is in sir, methane, I think, the carbon
Carbon
potential.
Carbon dioxide is the highest.
Sir.
So the West says that the developing countries should limit their greenhouse effect, their greenhouse emission of greenhouse gases to a particular percentage, to which India and China object to. You know now you can get it.
Sir.
What the Doha Protocol is. Because the West has already developed.
Sir.
They are emitting more greenhouse gases.
Sir.
We are emitting less. We are in a stage of
Developing stage we are in, sir.
If they restrict us, our development will be
Lag
reduced.
behind. Yes.
No?
And slow down, no? Because it's a limit. You can't, like you can't use coal for thermal power, for example.
Sir.
Something which like it happened in Germany.
Sir.
3 years back they said we will phase out coal altogether.
Sir.
We will phase out atomic energy, nuclear energy, because the nuclear management of nuclear waste is troublesome. They're not able to manage. So like that. But now they've gone back because Ukraine war happened, oil became costly. So now.
You studied political science.
Sir.
Can you tell us what is Article 21?
Sir. Sir, Article 21 is enshrined in our Constitution, which says about the right to life and personal liberty.
Good. You are well prepared.
Sir.
I will ask you just 2-3 questions. Just tell me how CBI director is appointed.
Sir, I am not recalling about the committees for the CBI. As far as I recalling, sir, there is a leader of opposition is there,
Yes.
and sir, the prime minister is also
Yes.
there, and a cabinet minister is also there. Sir, just
Previously it was Chief Justice of
Chief Justice of India, sir. Right, sir. Sir, I am read upon that, sir.
Just, another question I will just ask, because you have studied political science.
Sir.
There is a concept called right to equality
Sir.
in our constitution.
Sir.
When we are giving reservation, we are taking people under reservation.
Sir.
Don't you think it contradicts right to equality?
Sir. Sir, as per my knowledge, I think it is not violating the right to equality, because we see that it is a positive discrimination. Because in our constitution it is given that the state can make a law for its vulnerable people, for women, SC, ST,
In which
OBC.
article it is there?
Sir, it is in Article 16, sir.
Very good. It is a positive discrimination
Positive
for whom?
So the vulnerable population
Which are
like
that? You spell out.
women, SC, ST.
Women is there.
Sir, for women we can take also.
So only SC, ST and SC.
Sorry, sir. But I am reading that.
Okay, she is okay.
Absolutely. You got absolute bright chances. We will see you in the success list.
Tell us something about your hobbies and your achievements.
Sir, I am gold medalist in environmental science from
Very
Fakir Mohun University, sir.
Very good.
Sir, my hobbies are watching movies, particularly in women-centric and social issues, sir.
Because you studied political science, I will ask, tell us 2 films which are based on constitution.
Sir, Article 370, sir. Recently,
Another?
sir, one is the controversial one. I will never say that to the
No,
Kashmir
it's-
Kashmir file, sir.
Yes, Kashmir, but it is not on constitution. No? Article 14, sir.
Sir, Article 14, I think. Yes.
Article
The custodian death in jail, sir.
সেটা দেখাও হলা
Sir, sir.
তুমি ক্রেডিট কোন কথা কইছো না দেখি দাও
Sir, I'm given that
our
particularly.
new terms in my new term
Yes,
সেটা
sir.
electoral reforms
Sir,
এসি ওরা দেখি দাও জোড়া তুমি
Sir.
গুড
sir.
না তোমার কোন
Vishnupriya Nayak, sir.
Vishnupriya Nayak. All the best.
Thank
Keep
you.
interview.
Sir, পরদিন আছে।
Oh, yeah,